Kumusta? Magandang araw and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about abstract nouns in Filipino. When we say abstract nouns, they are words that name things that your five physical senses cannot detect. Let us have the following examples. Pag-ibig, love, pag-ibig. Kabaitan, kindness, kabaitan. Katapatan, honesty, katapatan. Kabutihan, goodness, kabutihan. Tiwala, trust, tiwala. Paghanga, admiration, paghanga. Kabataan, childhood, kabataan. Selos, jealousy, selos. Inggit, envy, inggit. Galit, anger, galit. Takot, fear, takot. Kabiguan, failure, kabiguan. Pangarap, dream, pangarap. Kapalaran, luck, kapalaran. Awa, mercy, awa. Palagay, opinion, palagay. Pasensya, patience, pasensya. Kasamaan, evil, kasamaan. Kahirapan, poverty, kahirapan. Lakas, strength, lakas. Panalangin, prayer, panalangin. Relihiyon, religion, relihiyon. Kaunlaran, prosperity, kaunlaran. Pagtanggi, refusal, pagtanggi. Payo, advice, payo. Buhay, life, buhay. Pagpuna, criticism, pagpuna. Katangian, traits, katangian. Simpatya, sympathy, simpatya. Edukasyon, education, edukasyon. Sigasig, perseverance, sigasig. Pag-unlad, progress, pag-unlad. Paggalang, respect, paggalang. Gana, appetite, gana. Kaligtasan, safety, kaligtasan. Sakripisyo, sacrifice, sakripisyo. Alaala, memory, alaala. Dahilan, reason, dahilan. Kahinaan, weakness, kahinaan. Dangal, honor, dangal. Pag-asa, hope, pag-asa. Pagsubok, trial, pagsubok. Duda, doubt, duda. Kasalanan, sin, kasalanan. Kaguluhan, chaos, kaguluhan. Kalayaan, freedom, kalayaan. Panganib, danger, panganib. Kayamanan, wealth, kayamanan. And that's all for our abstract nouns in Filipino. While we are at it, you might also want to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe in order that I will be inspired to do more videos like this. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen if you want to learn more. Thank you very much and take care always.